Is this boy dinner?
Is this? Oh God. I have this cute little stove. Stove. I can never pronounce it. Stove? Stove. Isn't that like the most adorable thing you've ever seen in your life?
I'm obsessed with that.
I'm obsessed. I'm full of surprises. I'm gonna hit you in the face. I saw myself. I was like, hey, it's Caesar with the Food52 Test Kitchen, and this is Recipe Drop. It's summer, it's hot out, you don't feel like cooking, I don't feel like cooking. This recipe drop's a little different. It's 2 mini recipes plus kind of some tips and tricks. Today we're doing a tin fish board. Today we're doing a plate on stuffed clams with a tin of cockles. That was like a tongue twister. Yeah. And we're making a sardine pâté with tin sardines. Sounds gross, it's not. Stick with me. All right, let's start with our stuffed clams. Tin fish boards are endlessly customizable. Today I have some cockles in brine. I have some sardines in olive oil. I've got some octopus in Galician sauce, and I have some codfish in olive oil with garlic. The great thing about tin fish is you can either eat them as is, straight out of the can, or you can actually cook with them as well. Tin fish are usually really high quality. These are usually from like Spain and Portugal. Here I have cockles in brine. This is a 4-ounce can. So let's open this up. Ooh. These are essentially little clams, so I'm gonna do a play on stuffed clams. Really easy, super minimal effort. I'm actually gonna drain this brine. If you wanna get a closer look at them, they're so pretty. Tin fish, it's cooked inside of the tin, which I feel like a lot of people don't know. So they're packed raw, and the tin is sealed, and it's cooked inside of the tin. Put my clams in my bowl. I have some butter that I'm gonna melt. Gonna hit it with some panko. I have some chopped parsley. I have some grated garlic. I'm trying to go for like just the most basic aspects of a stuffed clam. You can get as crazy as you want with it. I'm going super simple. Just the butter, the breadcrumb, the garlic, the parsley. We need some acid, so this is a lemon, believe it or not. This is a Meyer lemon. We don't have regular lemons, but we have Meyer lemons. We're so bougie. Can you cut this in half for me? Yeah. I don't have a board here. I mean, they're delicious. They're like yeah. Hit it with some lemon. Tin fish is already salty on its own, but let's help it out a little bit. Some salt, some pepper. I like a lot of pepper. All right, let's give this a little stir. So you know when you get stuffed clams, the clam is taken out of its shell. The filling is made back into the shell and then baked. Obviously, there's no shell here, so I'm just gonna do it in a little ramekin. I have this cute little stove. I can never pronounce it. Stove?
Mia, what's your
Mia, is this stove? Stove. Stove. Yo, my British accent?
That was pretty spot on.
It's not bad. Okay, we got our butter. The butter's just gonna really bring it all together. There we go. I'm just gonna hit this with a little olive oil. Just a whisper. A whisper of olive oil. Isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? I'm having a day where I don't have any of the right tools though. Hold on, let me get the spoon. Jesus. It's so funny because growing up, my mom used to eat like the squid out of the tin in its ink, like just like that with like crackers. And I used to be repulsed as a kid, and like it's like so popular now. Like everyone does it. Yeah. I'm gonna top this with more butter too. If it looks a little dry, don't you worry. This already smells really good just from like the garlic and the parsley, the lemon. Isn't that like the most adorable thing you've ever seen in your life? You know something's so cute, you just like want to destroy it? What's the word for it? Cute aggression. All right, little more butter. Sick. Into a 350-degree oven until brown and golden. About 10 minutes. Sick. Next up, let's make a sardine pâté. I don't know why when people hear the word sardines, they like freak out. So for our sardine pâté, I'm kind of going for a sun-dried tomato, fresh moment. Sun-dried tomatoes are often disrespected, and I think we need to bring back the love for sun-dried tomatoes. I feel like for the longest time, people were like, oh, that's so 90s, they're so overdone, and they were, but they're delicious. A lot of umami, the U word. Here's how these look. These are packed in olive oil. You could do this part with a food processor or an immersion blender. I'm just gonna use a fork. I don't care if it's like, I want some chunks to it. If you want it super smooth, use food processor or blender. So I have some sun-dried tomatoes packed in oil. You want the one that's packed in oil. The one that's not is just a little too dry. I do actually want to run my knife through these though. Yeah, so the only knife work really required here is just to cut up your sun-dried tomatoes and your scallion. Remember, the idea here is it's hot, you're tired, you still want to eat good. Give them a little squish. Nice. So sun-dried tomatoes. Here I have some creme fraiche. If you don't have creme fraiche, you could use just a little sour cream. You can even use mayo. Give this a stir. Have some chopped dill. Just want to bruise it up, get that flavor out. All right, let's go on with our sardines. Some sardines do have little bones in them. They're completely edible. Just a little crunch. If that freaks you out, pick them out. I know it's not pretty. It tastes really good. With pâté, you do want to put it in the refrigerator. So you do want to enjoy pâté cold. And as it cools down, it's going to harden and solidify from that oil. A little pepper. A little salt. Lemon. A little green onions. I mean, pâté isn't a pretty thing, period. Sardine pâté done. We're done cooking. There's more. I'm gonna pop this in the fridge. All right, I'm gonna pick out some serving utensils. This one's kind of cute. This one's cute too. Jackpot. We're ready to take this out. Oh my God, why did I not put this on a little tray? Oh my God. Ooh. Cute. I've got this beautiful Chem Studios egg board in walnut. Hi, thank you for helping me assemble this.
Of course.
I feel like with boards, you kind of need like two sets of eyes. It's also fun to do it with someone else.
Yeah, I feel like anytime I'm doing like a cheese board or something, I'm always like, come look. Like with whoever's around, it's nice to, yeah.
But my vision with this is, okay, so we have the two tin fish that I prepared, like actually did something with. And then these two seem really delicious on their own. I mean, of course, they're all delicious on their own. But this one's like in its own sauce, and this was in garlic. This one is in garlic and olive oil. Can you help me open these up?
Yeah.
So with tin fish, there's so many things you can enjoy them with, and I feel like some of the classics are, of course, like crostini, which I baked
Those
up
are
earlier.
some nicely toasted crostini.
Thanks. I almost forgot about them. I got some potato chips. So this should be like a fun, I don't know, like you and someone else, a third person. It's just, you know, you sit around it and, oh, we should get some like.
Is this boy dinner?
Is this, oh God. It's, I mean, probably no.
No. We're done with that trend.
We're done with that. I've got some little peppers, which we're currently obsessed with. I got
Yeah,
some,
those are so good.
got some nice soft butter.
Oh, so you salted it? Nice.
Yep.
Love.
Some extra flaky salt. I have some
Love
radishes.
a lot of salt in my butter.
Some radishes that I sliced up earlier. You could just kind of
Nice.
just put them straight in there.
Pretty.
Radishes and butter and salt, classic combination.
So good.
It's also
I've been seeing that all over my social media recently.
this.
No, like radishes and butter and salt. People will just take
Oh, it's like making
radishes and just dip them in butter.
Yeah, it's
and
so
salt.
good.
It's so good.
So some radishes and butter. I've got these little sweet peppers. I've got
Nice.
some olives.
Well, you got all the things.
I got all the things. What else do I have? I have a 6-minute egg and a 7.5-minute egg.
Oh, was that on purpose or
It was-
not on purpose?
Half on purpose, half intentional. I think we should start with the fish itself and kind of like build around it. Here's the pâté. Gonna give it a little garnish love.
It looks kind of like a dip. you
Yeah,
know?
it's a
It looks
dip.
Good. Cute.
Cute. So we have our pâté. We have our stuffed clam dip. If you want to open these guys up for me. Nice. Ooh.
I love tinned salmon, smoked salmon.
I think I'm gonna drain these a little bit. Another trick too, like
Oops.
you can save this oil. Like the oil's really delicious. You can fry an egg in it. Like don't throw the oil away. Just gonna get rid of it a little bit because
Have you ever done that?
yeah.
Sounds good. I've never tried that. How often do you eat tin fish?
Maybe once a week.
Really?
Yeah, I like to get the I usually get like just like the boneless, skinless sardines from Trader Joe's. There we go.
So cute. Oh,
Let's find a home for the bread. Oh, we have crackers too.
oh yeah. Are you gonna kind of just place those?
Yeah, we could do the crackers like.
I would be psyched if I went to like a party or something and they had
Dude.
served this.
Someone invited you over.
Yeah, I'd be so excited.
It's hot outside. All right, let's do.
I feel like I'm like drooling over this board. I'm like, need it.
What are you two laughing about over there?
Holy crap, that looks so good, right? Have you ever had tinned octopus? Same. Yeah, me neither.
Which one are you most excited to try?
I think the tinned octopus, honestly, since I've never had that.
I'm gonna hit you in the face. I saw myself. I was like,
That was on camera.
Oh my god, if you would actually just like clock, that would have been hilarious.
clucked.
Yeah, little Christini.
You're my guest.
All right, thanks.
For that. Oh, yeah.
I mean, we're doing our best. Maybe a little Meyer lemon.
Okay. Yeah, what is your like? What are your pairing recommendations?
Oh, let's get crazy. On a potato chip.
Whoa.
Sardine pâté. That and that, bruh.
I'm a little nervous about sardines. I don't know why I smelled it.
My mom would have. Go on.
Sorry, Caesar's mom.
I mean, obviously, this is a fun way to eat, but it's also a beautiful way to eat.
Yeah, that board
And
is really nice.
I think this board really brought it all together.
Yeah. It fits everything really well. I was surprised.
Yeah, this is our Chem egg-shaped board, walnut color. I'm obsessed.
Does it come in different colors?
Yeah.
Different colors, different shades of wood. Yeah, I love it. We love it.
It looks so nice.
It's really
I love
nice.
it.
Thanks for making this tin fish board with me. Like, comment, subscribe. Recipe down below. Recipe. See you later.